Hello, dear Moodlers. This is Reverend who is back. I'm going to show you how you can design a small quiz, and I'm going to host mine on the Moodle for Teachers platform. Now, I want to go straight to this page, designing your own online course, and I click. So you see, for example, this on this page, we have many topics, and the topic zero is full of instructions. Now, this is a comment or instructions from Dr. Nelly, and mine is in topic 3. I want to prepare quizzes on Moodle. So I go straight on topic 3. I have to click here. So I have copied. It means that I have prepared this lesson, and it was in a word like this one, and I copied and I pasted in this page. So it means that here we have to provide some a kind of abstract about the lesson, and this is the short abstract I wrote. It means that I have to include also that this course is concerned for the teachers who will be the learners, and they have to use the Moodle platform and have some activities to practice. I'm going to show you a short quiz I designed so that you can practice. The audience will be the teachers, and the duration will be a one-day workshop. It can be some hours. 2 hours are enough. And here we have some objectives. We have to create a quiz on Moodle platform. We have to add some quizzes, and here it's a quiz, one quiz, but we have to configure it. So it means that we have the topics we have, and the platform is the Moodle platform now, and we can use some technologies like Facebook and Padlet and Moodle. And for the time being, I have some moderators, Harshita, Neza, Kate, Stefania, Rosa Carvino. We are in the same group. And now, before designing any quiz, a quiz is a kind of activity on Moodle, I have to turn editing on. You see this green button. I have to click on it, and I have to wait for the response. And at the bottom, you can see this link, add an activity or resource. I have to click on that one. So in order to create. So I will have this dialog box. As you can see, it's a list of activities and resources. And you can see the resources here. But now, I want to use this activity, which is the quiz. I click on it. You can see here, you can see some explanations here. I have to add my quiz here. As you can see, here we have the red stop here. It's the exclamation point. So I have to give a name to my quiz. So this is, let us, quiz on capital cities. So this is, I'm not a geography teacher, but I have to practice geography. Now I can describe my quiz, but this is optional. And about the timing here, I can enable this one, the open date, the close date for my quiz, and I can set up here the in terms of minutes, for example, like this one, it means that for my quiz, 10 minutes are enough. And here, I can leave it is here, and the grade, for the grade, and I want to put only for the attempt, the number of attempts which are around. This is the grade to pass. It means that let me set 10, for example, and here you cannot change because here it means that the number of attempts is 1. If it is unlimited, you can consider the highest grade, the average ones, then the first attempt, as well as or the last attempt. But now I want one attempt only, so the layout it's okay. Let us save and return to our course. Here we are. It means that here I have designed the title. I have given the title to my quiz, and once you click on that one, on the quiz, they will tell you that you didn't edit the quiz, and now this is the time to edit the quiz. Let me edit my quiz here. So you can see that I have this this page, and now I want to edit my quiz. I have to add some questions. The maximum grade is this one, and I will save. Now let me add some questions. In new question, as you have seen, I can add I can type a new question. I can add a question from a question bank. It means that you have a bank of questions or a random question. Now I want to use this one. The simplest, the easiest, it will be multiple choice. I have to add. And the question name, this is the question number 1. And I can set what is the capital city of one of the countries of Africa, Namibia, like this one. So here the mark the pass mark, the default one, it was 1, and now I have to change to 5. So remember that the maximum, the quiz is out of 10. Now I'm going to set 2 questions only. You can provide a general feedback. And here about the one or multiple answers, I want only one answer only. And for the multiple answers allowed, it's like when you have some, one have to check all that can apply. And the number of choices here, the number for the choices, no numbering. I chose this one. For the first answer, let me choose one of the capital cities of Africa, Gaborone, for example. But this is not the right answer. The grade will be none, and I can write sorry for the feedback. The second one, let me put the second one, which is the right one, Windhoek. And here it will be 100%. And here I have to congratulate my student here. This is the right answer. This is the right answer. And I have to provide another one. Let me take another city, Walvis Bay, for example. No, let me Bay. No, this is not a right answer. And let me take another one. For example, another one, Kidman soup. Kidman soup, which is not the right answer. Here as a feedback, it says sorry. So after this one, I have to save any changes, and you have the first question of my quiz. I can add the second one. The second one, let me set a second one. As I have set the first one, this is number 2. This is question number 2. And it will be what is the capital city of, let me take Ethiopia, for example. Ethiopia, in the corner of Africa, and the pass mark 5, and here it will be one answer only, and there is no numbering. The first question, let me take the right one. Addis Ababa, like this one. This is the right answer, and congratulations. And the second one, let me take another one. Dayadawa, for example. This is not, and I have to tell you that I'm very sorry. And here, for this, the other one, let me take Douala, for example. This is for Cameroon, and none. This is sorry, and I have to set the last one. Let me take Kigali, for example, where I'm living now. So I'm very sorry. This is not the right answer, and you save your changes. Good. This is how you can set your quizzes. So once, for example, you have to edit the quiz, please, you can go straight to this link, edit quizzes. These are general, or here, if you want to go straight, and you can preview the quiz, and you can start also the attempt. Let me reserve some further explanations for next video, and I thank you very much for the time being. See you.